making vegan chocolate chip cookies while Avery develops film.
I thought you were talking to that bowl.
I was just talking to you guys and Avery said, "You're not filming."
It's so funny how they both listen. Oh, there goes chemistry.
Avery's mid-teaching me how to develop film, too.
Yes. So right now I put it on the track of the spool. It pretty much needs to go in a certain indent and underneath some bearings. And then you twist the spool slowly and steadily and hope I don't mess up like last time and have to rip the film. And pretty much twisting one side forwards and back, or backwards and forwards, grabs those little indents in the side of the film.
We have melted, refined coconut oil, that's key. I don't even know if I told you guys what we're making. Vegan chocolate chip cookies. We've made these a few times. We're always like kind of messing up on the ingredients, but the last time we made them, they were really good. And 2/3 a cup of light brown sugar. I'll link the recipe down below though. Now you're supposed to use an unsweetened vanilla almond milk, but we're just using unsweetened cashew milk because that's what we have. Then 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Do you think we should add more since we're not using vanilla almond milk?
Like 2.5. But shoot, we need more than salt until they're full.
Oh, I need salt. Okay. How much salt?
Half a teaspoon.
We have some cookies baking. My hands got too sticky to keep filming, but here we are. Do you help?
Shaky hands. I don't know what the better way is to get this out of here. There we go. Put at the bottom. What do waiters say? This is the crushed.
Oh, it looks good.
Tofu with. Don't those look like eggs?
Yeah.
Tofu, peppers, kale. I think it was cumin, chili, turmeric,
Wow.
salt, pepper. What else? There's something else in there. Garlic. I opted out for onions for you.
Thank you.
But I'm really excited to try it because this is like we got up a little bit late. I got up at like 9:30 or something, and I was like, oh, it's a little late to make food or make breakfast. But since I went for a jog, I was like, oh, this could be the first time where I try to make faux eggs.
Yeah.
And I think that they turned out really well.
We are now heading to a coffee shop before we have a meeting.
You ready to export this one already?
Yeah.
It's looking pretty good.
Well, you guys, the snowstorm in New York has me staying in Indiana for an extra 2 days, which I'm honestly not complaining about. I'm not ready to go back to my apartment, and with the snowstorm, I couldn't really do much shipping anyways, which is what is the most urgent thing to get to doing. Avery's on his run right now. I never like to run with him because I don't have any good sports bras, especially not here. So if you guys have any recommendations, definitely let me know. Right now I'm going to buy some Advil because I'm having some wisdom teeth problems. Avery's in class, and this is my birthday breakfast. We made these last night and I put them on my Instagram story, and we got so many requests for a recipe. Maybe we'll do like a what I ate in a day video soon, but I'll link the recipe for this down below. It's super easy. We basically just looked it up because one of our favorite vegan spots has these. So we were like, oh, it doesn't seem like it's that hard to make. So we just did it ourselves.
Got him. I'm officially way too full. There she is.
Hello, you guys. I have just made it home from the airport. I was so nervous that I would have a ton of mail stolen when I was gone because I was supposed to come home 2 days ago, so all my packages were scheduled to come after I returned home. But there was a giant snowstorm in New York, as some of you may know, because I know it hit a lot of the country. So I didn't come home until 2 days later, today. And I have so much mail that was actually waiting on me, which I just can't believe. So I thought I would unbox some of it on camera because I don't even know what a lot of these things are. I've been trying to deliver to me for over a month and it just hasn't been happening. And it's from this brand Yumi. Don't know if that's how you actually pronounce it. It's Y-U-M-E-I. And they offered to send me a bag after they heard about my Margiela bag going missing. So it's a New Zealand based brand. We have a little dust bag here. I feel so bad that it took forever for me to actually get this because they shipped it DHL Express, which I know is costly. I'm so excited to see this. I don't know what it's going to be, but we will see. Aww. So sweet. Thank you, Kailee. I also don't know if I'm saying your name right, but I really appreciate it. Oh, this is cute. I like the short strap with the long strap too. I'm excited to have another black bag in my collection and try to branch out and have some gold instead of just silver. So has my initials on it, which is really cute. Cool. Now this is what I'm really, really excited for. And I know what it is. And I need these if I'm going to keep up my vegan diet. So Avery found these vegan sort of Reese's and got them for me for my birthday because we have been trying to have a plant-based diet. It's actually not nearly as hard as I thought it would be to fully transition. And this company does that, and it's called Unreal Snacks. So basically I posted about it. Oh my goodness. I posted about it on my story, and they saw, and now they've sent me some snacks. So these are actually what Avery got me. They're the crispy dark chocolate peanut butter cups. But they also sent me dark chocolate peanut gems. Okay. Dark chocolate almond butter cups. The smooth dark chocolate peanut butter cups. And wow, they also sent me a ton of coupons off of their chocolates and a million other things. So thank you, Unreal, so much. This is so appreciated. I'm gonna have one right now. My mom and my little sister came to stay at my apartment when I was away, and they left some Girl Scout cookies here for me, which I'm obsessed with tagalongs, but I am almost positive that I cannot eat those. So this will help my craving. The crispy ones are pretty equivalent to tag along because it's just dark chocolate. And they're crispy because of quinoa. In this big box I have here, which I won't even show you because it's really heavy, I have record packaging because I just don't think I'm going to be moving with all my vinyl. So I'm going to be selling them on Depop for pretty cheap because some of them do have flaws. I don't really feel like testing all of them to see. And there's always a chance that they can be somewhat damaged in shipping, but I did try to do my research and find... Sorry, I still have food in my mouth. I tried to do my research and buy the best vinyl packaging I could. So I did that, and most of them will probably go for $10 or less. Next, this box says it's from Origins. They're always sending me best packages as well. I need to email everyone and tell them I'm moving so they don't keep sending stuff here. It's hard because this is like such a not a real problem, but it's hard because so many random people I feel like have my address and send things occasionally, and I can't remember all of them. Always packaged very tightly. Ooh, this is more from their superfood line. Oh my goodness, this is interesting. I love mushrooms and I love matcha, so I can't wait to try this mushroom matcha drink mix. Okay, and I love their entire like mushroom line. Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Face Mask. Okay. I already love this. It's like a thin lotion. This is the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. And also a serum. Yay! Keys. My mom mailing me back my Avery's keys, actually. Which I will not need soon enough. And then I think the rest of the packages are all returns for STAATS. So I have some exchanges to process tomorrow and some packages to catch up on shipping. So that should be fun. I'm excited to get more things out of here. And also, I guess, just to give you guys a bit of a heads up, we will have most inventory stocked at our New York City event. We're still locking down an event space, or I would be telling you more about it. We've just communicated with so many people, and there's just like little issues with each space, and we want to make sure it's a good space. So just weighing out our options still, especially since it's so much money. Like, we want to make sure that we're happy with it. But we will have inventory at our New York City event, and then after the event, probably about a week later, we will be doing a small restock on our site. Most sizes should be available, but not all sizes. So that's exciting because we've been getting quite a few messages each day asking if/when we are going to restock things. We don't plan on really producing much more inventory from this collection just because we want to focus on new things, but we have some fun items, like a book that we've been working on for the past few months. It's a photo book and just kind of takes you in and shows our entire experience and process. So those are in printing right now. They're supposed to be shipped soon, and I'm gonna have hundreds of books in my apartment right before I move. Back to work now. Not that I haven't been working since I've been away. We've been in coffee shops for hours each day, but being back in the apartment is good. I think we are going to be hiring an assistant/intern, paid intern, for the next month to work part-time because there is a lot on our plate. So that's exciting. I'll probably be posting on social media about it and reaching out to people that have already emailed us before this goes up, but maybe not. So you're still free to always send a resume or cover letter to our email, contact@ourstateballet.com. And just a little tip, if you're planning to do this, just make sure that you spell our brand's name correctly. A lot of people forget the last T. Just a minor thing that shows that you care and you double check things. It's very appreciated. And I need to get to cleaning all of these things up and eating some more of this chocolate. Talk soon.